It's a brand new day. Hey. Wake up every morning and say it's a brand new day. Hey. Take a good day, make it great. Cause if you got some lemons, make some lemonade. Yeah, chase those clouds away. It's a brand new day. Hey. It's a brand new day.
Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's me again, Bong, and here's the gang.
Hi!
Diyan na yung gang. Huwag nyo nang pansinin yung labahan namin kasi laundry day kami everyday. Yun yung maganda dito sa Airbnb. Merong washing machine. So, andito pa rin tayo sa Dubai guys. And it's going to be another adventure. Medyo late yung start na adventure natin. 4 PM na. Kasi yung gagawin natin adventure today is Desert Safari Experience. Ito yung experience na pinakaabangan ko, yung Desert Safari Adventure ng gabi. Makikita natin yung desert dito sa Dubai guys. So, let's go. Start na natin yung experience. Hapon talaga yung start niya guys kasi may kasamang buffet dinner. Mag-dujun bashing tayo. Yung parang 4-wheel drive na parang roller coaster dun sa desert sand. And ano pa ba? May camel ride, may henna tattoo. So, let's go na. May nararamdaman na akong nagbabibrate sa phone ko. Baka yun na yung tour guide natin. Let's go, let's go. I booked this activity pala sa Klook guys. So, ito yung link and yung description ng activity. Kung gusto nyo i-book yung same experience, use our Klook code BONGADVENTURES-KLOOK para makakuha kayo ng additional discount. And guys, nandito na daw yung tour guide natin, Mando. Still hot guys. But yeah, ito siguro 57965. Hello.
How are you?
All good?
How are you kids? How are you?
Good.
All good?
Yes.
Okay. Excited?
Excited?
Yes.
I'm Desert Safari Guide. Now first we are going to our company meeting point.
Okay.
We are going to the Oman border. In the first point have quad bike and the buggy rides. If anybody want to do some quad bike or buggy rides, you have there 45 to 50 minutes. You can do for quad bike, buggy rides, whatever you want. Second point include 3 show, fire show, belly dance, tanura show, soft drink, water, tea, coffee, camel ride, sandboard, henna painting, shisha, Arabic costume, barbecue dinner. This all include your package in the second point in the camp. Okay, the last show finish around 9 o'clock. Come back same car, then I will drop separately. You have 100% fun of the experience. Now we are going in the first point. There have 70% fun of the experience. Okay, when we go to the desert with this car, it's like 20% fun of the experience. Okay, when we reach in the camp, it's 10% fun of the experience. Now I will explain you why 70, why 20, and why 10. 70 means like you drive yourself in the desert. You can take experience how the people drive in the desert. This is the lovely experience, and the guide will take your video and the pictures. You drive yourself, but the guide will take the pictures and the video. Okay, why is the 20% when we go this car in the desert? That one I will be driving in the desert. You just enjoy. In the camp is 10% because of there have live barbecue and live show activity like normal. The best part of only for 2, we are adventure. I am with you all day. If anybody need any help, I am your guide. My responsibility, I will give you good service, and I hope you will enjoy. And now we are going in the first point. In the first point, everything is chargeable. Even water, juice, tea, coffee, scarf, birds pictures, quad bike and buggy, all thing is chargeable. It's not part of the package. If you want, you can do.
Okay.
Okay, sir?
Okay.
Called Gulf tree. This tree live in the desert, little water, and long time live in the desert. And now you can see the sand color is like yellow sand. Yeah, we are going to red sand, red cubes.
Red dunes na pala to. Parang medyo color red na. Yung kaninang dinaanan natin sa may malapit-lapit pa sa city. Yun yung normal desert. Yellowish pa yung sun. Dito medyo reddish yung sun na. And tingnan nyo yung mga nasasakyan na sa harapan natin. Yung mga 4x4 na yan, mga magtutour din yan. Papunta pala tayo guys sa border ng Oman. Malapit sa border ng Oman. Nandun daw kasi yung mga magagandang red dunes. Ayan guys, nakarating na tayo and we're going to step on the desert sand for the first time. Look, grabe. Parang lulubog tayo dito. So nice. So hot guys, but look, wow, nakalakad ka na sa disyerto. Hindi kasama to sa package guys. Kanina pa ang lakas mag sales talk ni Kuya Commando. 70% daw of the experience. Ito yung parang pinakamasaya. Pag hindi mo daw na kinuha to, parang you miss 70% of the experience. Medyo mahal guys. Additional siya dun sa package. Actually yung package nga na kinuha natin is medyo mahal na. Tapos add-on pa to. So anyway, tignan lang natin kung magkano. Guys, andito yung mga bayaran. Feeling ko commission based to nung pinaka-driver nyo or tour guide. This is the price, right?
No, this is the power CC.
What's the price?
Price also this is for 600. This is for 800. This is also 800. This is 1000. This is 350 and this is 250. This is double and this is single. And that one is for single. Single for 150, double is for 250 but inside.
Okay. Single double 250 for inside.
And that one is a family buggy.
Guys, andito na tayo dun sa parang office nila. Merong option na mag-ATV ka, buggy car, merong 2-seater, merong 4-seater. Ito, nabudol tayo. Kasi kanina offer niya hindi pwede ng sharing. Pero ngayon pwede nang mag-share dun sa double na buggy. Pagka pwede mag-share, edi mas okay. Nakita na sila ng Camel and ito yung indoor na buggy car. Mas mura siya guys kaysa doon sa outdoor. Pero pabalik na kami ni Babe. Ano Babe, masaya? Actually wala sa plano namin na magganito kasi medyo mahal. Meron pumayag na pwede mag-switch, nagawa ng paraan. Ganda rin ang experience guys. So tapos na.
Your address now Pullman downtown, 2 person. Okay? Yeah. And tomorrow around 1
Ayan guys,
our guide will give you
tapos na tayo mag buggy car dito sa first stop natin. Wala sa plan to guys, pero pumayag sila na mag-share. So tigti 10 minutes kami, around 4,000 pesos, 250 dirhams. Pwede na yun guys, ma-experience mag buggy car dito sa disyerto. Masaya guys. Medyo mahal lang talaga pag inisa-isa nyo. Pero may 4,000 isa. Pag kami nun 20,000 lahat yun, times 5. It's too much. Next activity yata or next part ng tour is ayan dune bashing. Roller coaster ride driver si Kuya. Taking na dito sa taas ng Red Sand Dunes. Hi guys! So, andito na tayo sa disyerto ng Dubai. Actually, malapit daw to sa Oman border. Dito tayo sa Red Dune Desert. Ang ganda guys. Tignan nyo yung ano. Tignan mo yung disyerto. Grabe. Parang ano to, Boracay sand na kulay pula na tuyong-tuyo, dry na dry. Ganda oh. Nice, super saya na nandito kami ngayon. Tingnan ko lang kung makakatayo ako. Hey baby. Wee! Ethan! Woo!
One last.
Ito yung reason kung bakit ayaw ko kasi mas mahirap yung paakyat. Go Chloe! Nice one! Sa bandang dulo ka na.
Bruh.
Ang hirap maglakad sa sand. Lumulubog. Yan. Yan, ang dami ko ng sand sa sapatos. And one last look. Super ganda guys. Kaya nagbabalikan na sila. Papunta na yan sa mga camp. Yung may kainan. May kasamang kainan to guys. Buffet dinner. Let's go. Ayan guys. Andito na tayo sa camp. Eating dates. Dates? Okay. One. Right. Dates.
Coffee?
Coffee? Yeah?
Arabic coffee.
Arabic
No
coffee.
problem.
Thank you. So hot.
You want the shisha counter? You can come there, you can sit. They give you shisha, you can smoke. The bar, soft drink, water is the bar counter. You can go there, take your water and soft. There is a live barbecue. You can go take your food. Unlimited. It's part of the package. Come here. This 3 shop is chargeable.
Mm-hmm.
You want to buy something, you can buy something. This is the henna. Arabic costume is there. You can
Okay.
go there, you can there take it. This is the carpet shop. If you want to buy something, you can buy from here.
Okay.
The tea counter is there.
Mm-hmm.
Ice cream is chargeable.
Okay.
This is for the deluxe one. Okay. Now I want the first show, then second show, after then now this is dinner. Restroom is there. Shisha counter. This is for the standard and that one. If you want to upgrade this one, 50.
Ayan, dito guys, meron drink station. So pwedeng kumuha ng booze, mga alak, soft drinks. Andito yung tubig nila. Kuha na tayong tubig. And here is, I think this is shawarma. Kuha tayo ng shawarma na ubusan tayo kanina. Is this hot? Oh, yeah. Shawarma, falafel, samosa.
Vegetarians,
Okay. Thank you.
everything you'll get over here.
Ayan, mabait si kuya. So, hindi ko na alam kung ano to. Pero ito mukhang salad. This is hummus. parang macaroni something. And dito yung masarap. Merong lamb and merong chicken na grilled. And yeah, merong bread, yung pita nila, pita bread. Parang mga prutas na guys. So skip na natin yan. Mamaya na lang. Dito, merong parang macaroni. Andito yung rice nila. Ganda ng seating arrangement. Mamaya, kakain muna tayo. Yan o. Eh, mga food nila. Gusto mo grilled chicken tsaka rice? Na yellow? Ha? Halika, kuha tayo. Let's taste yung grilled chicken nila guys. Sarap, bagong luto. Masarap yung chicken nila. Ito. Sarap. Ang pinasal. Falafel. Let's taste this shawarma yata nila to guys. Wala kung ano yun guys. Taste na natin yung grilled lamb. Sabi. Henna flower. Ano kayo Ethan? Anong
Flower.
flower din?
Spider.
Tapos ito hindi to free. Kung gusto mong bumili ng carpet or carpet nga ba? Oh, ayun carpet to. Scarf, pillow. Wow, Spider-Man stick. Pag mo ididikit sa kata ano, mag-ano yan. And meron ding free gamit nung ano nila, yung damit nila. Ito guys, hindi free. Yung ice cream, may bayad yan, yung ice cream. And yung drinks na alak, may bayad din. Coke lang yung free, mga cola. Yung shisha guys, libre siya pag andun ka lang sa lugar na yon. Pag andito ka sa, pag gusto mo mag-shisha dito sa table, yun ang may bayad. Wala makita, ang dilim. Bro, ang dilim. Hi guys, eto. Tayo ay nakasakay sa camel. Actually mukhang wala naman kayo nakikita kasi super dilim. But yeah, say hi na. Wala naman makita. Hi guys, so andito na tayo sa end ng adventure natin dito sa Dubai Desert, yung malapit sa Oman boundary. Super saya na experience guys. First time namin maka-experience ng ganito. Masaya ba kayo?
Yes, super.
Yes.
Yeah. Enjoy kayo lahat?
Yes.
Sarap na experience, no? Na ito, disyerto. First time namin lahat. Ibang-iba sa Pilipinas. Ang saya. So, dito kami sa may camp. Kakatapos lang ng mga activity. Nag-camel ride kami. Nagpahena sila babe. Kung pupunta kayo ng Dubai guys, don't miss this opportunity, yung desert safari experience nila. Medyo mahal siya guys, pero sulit na sulit yung babayad nyo. Maraming salamat sa pagsama sa adventure namin, and sana nagustuhan nyo itong mga vlogs natin. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and see you on our next Dubai adventure. Bye guys!
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye guys!